Today we will cut a table on MDF sheet. We will guide you how to make it. Click toolpath, input toolpath parameters. Cut depth value depends on the MDF sheet thickness. It should be a little bigger than the sheet thickness for cutting through it. Set motion, speed. Click calculate. Click toolpath. Choose wireframe simulation. Set second base, curve mill. Set cut depth, speed, motion, and fade. Then click calculate. Choose third base, pocket mill. It is the same as former tool base. Set the tool shape, fade, motion, and speed. Click calculate it. Fourth base, control mill. Set related parameters as other base. Click calculate it. Click toolpath, choose solid simulation. Click toolpath and export the toolpath. Now let's see how the CNC router cut table on the MDF sheet. This CNC router is with LNC advanced controller. It configures an auto tool changing function. So we do not have to replace the tool base manually. Then production efficiency is higher and reduce the labor injury risk. With thin welded machine frame and extra solid gantry and gantry support, plus the high precision electrical servo drive and motor and precise transmission system, this machine becomes a very popular model for furniture making and other woodworking industries. This Omni 1325P ATC CNC router enjoys high reputation on the selling market because its steady and high precision working performance, and especially because it is a very competitive price. And it is only $10,000 US. Welcome to contact us to get more details about this machine. The delivery time of this machine is 20 days round. Buy from Omni, we could help you to ship the machine to your seaport and arrange the truck to deliver the machine to your door. Even do customs clearance for you if you're not familiar with it. All what you need to prepare is using a lift to move it from truck to the floor and unpack it. Omni offers full toolkits, so no need to get this other way to start running. Omni control system is compatible with many softwares like VCAL, Aspire, Cut2, 3D, Autodesk Fusion 360. We have many customers who has used Omni CNC router for around 10 years, so you can rely on us. All what they have done about maintenance is lubrication, cleaning, and replaced several bearings. It is lucky for you because now the price is only $10,000 US. The price is only 30% around comparing the cost getting from local. Freight is around $500 US to $2,000 to America and $400 to $1,600 to Canada in this month. Importing machine from Omni is a great method to boost earnings. Despite the cost of tariffs, transportation, and also customs, the low prices you will hope on Omni CNC machines imports make the purchase process more than beneficial. Check how smooth the cutting edge is. What are you waiting for? Contact Omni to get product details and the shipping cost today.